Hi, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. We've talked about the H1 tag. We did our Hello World. That was your first tag. The H1 was for a first level heading. Let's see the other levels of headings that you can have just to get those out of the way. Alright, so we've talked about H1, and let's see what else we got. H1, 2, there's a second level heading, 3 for third level headings, 4 for fourth level headings, 5, 6. There are 6 levels of headlines in HTML. There are not 7, so this isn't going to work. Okay, so let's save that, go over here, and refresh it. There you go. Alright, so our first level heading is the biggest, and then they get progressively smaller until they get ridiculously tiny, and then the H7 didn't do anything at all because it's not a real tag. Alright, now if you want your headlines to look different from this, that's where CSS comes in. CSS is where you change fonts and font sizes and colors and alignment and anything like that. HTML, we only do structure. And this is to divide our document into structure by giving it top level headlines, second level headlines, on down. All right, thank you.